Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm ELF, and today I'm doing chicken fried rice. What? Chicken fried rice. I ain't gonna waste no time. I'm gonna get right into it. You know how we start out with this big old spoon. Chicken fried rice. Chicken fried rice. Hidden. Good. Bomb. You know, if you want to add a little more soy sauce, you can. Right amount of salt for me. That soy sauce is providing you that salt. So you can add as much or as less as you want to, you know? Y'all been good? Into it. Yeah. Bomb. You use whatever source of protein you like. I just could have done veggies too. Good. Easy to try. Ain't nothing to it. What? Feed the whole neighborhood out there. Do y'all have your favorite spot y'all go to? You know everybody got their favorite spot. The one I go to, like that. Mad they ain't open right now, called Sue Kim. Listen, that lady name is Sue, but the place is called SKM. That lady named Sue Kim. You can go in there and get anything you want. She running specials every day. You can go up there and get you an egg roll and a patty for $13.99. What? Yeah, you can. She has a range of inventory. Anybody know Sue Kim? She'll tell you. Egg roll patty. Pick what color you like. And sit down and eat it. You can buy hair and knock off Gucci socks. Yeah, you can. And so Kim will put you out too. Me, my sister, and my cousin went there. My sister's order came, and her orange chicken wasn't fresh. She asked them, can she have some fresh orange chicken? Them people come out the back with a broomstick on her. All of a sudden, Sue Kim said, me need me table. We could no longer eat in there because we asked for fresh orange chicken. No. And Sue Kim looked at my cousin and said, me know you fat girl, you come here all the time. Me need me table. My cousin said, oh, so y'all about to get real disrespectful in here. They come out the back with broomsticks. Yeah, the people work there came out the back with broomsticks, said me need me table. You know it's about to get real disrespectful, start calling us out our name. We didn't come in for that. We went up there to sit down. Yeah, they waited on us. About to fight up in there. Let's get out of here before we show out, before the police come up in here. Before we turn this place upside down and shake everybody who don't belong in here out of here. Everything. What put us out? It was going to be a situation in there. We could no longer be served. Hurry up and buy. It's a true story. That's how that went. All right. Please like, subscribe, and share. Tell everybody you know. We just elfed up chicken fried rice. What? All right. Y'all be safe out there. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so it can notify you when I upload new videos. All right? I'm out here. Peace.